Okay, dmerc00 here. Welcome to my channel. Now if you've got a Magix Movie Edit Pro 16 Plus, you may be wondering what the best video format to export video to YouTube might be. And in my case, I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out what the best format was. At first I tried Windows Media and AVI and some others. But then after reading some of the specs on YouTube, I found out that they really like mp4. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to export an mp4. Now I've got a video down here on the timeline. And to export that, the first thing I need to do is go up to the File option. Click that. And go down to Export Movie, and then come down here, skip all the top ones and go to Video as MPEG-4. Alright. Now under the options here, I like to, since this is an HD video, I'm going to choose 16:9 instead of 4:3. And then you can pick the resolution. I like to use 720 by 1280. I found out that the 1920 by 1080 is a little bit too large and too long to download off YouTube, kind of long to upload. But 720, this one here, which is 720p by the way, is a good resolution. So I choose that. I got the 29.97 frame rate. Now for the audio, you want to have ACC or AAC, pardon me, and 44 kilohertz basically. It's 44.1 kilohertz or 44,100 hertz stereo. And that's all you need there. It usually comes up that way anyway. Okay, once you've done that, all you do is click OK. And I'm just going to hit continue here. It says the settings may differ, and I know that, so I'm just going to continue. Alright, now it's processing the video, mixing down here, and that takes a few minutes. Now you may have noticed I've got a highlighted cursor, and if you've been wondering about that, that's coming from Camstudio. I'm using version 2.6, the beta version, which is open source and it's free. You can get it off the internet. In fact, I have a tutorial on that on my channel already. If you just go to dmerc00 on YouTube, there's a tutorial there about using Camstudio with Magix Movie Edit Pro. Okay, that'll finish mixing down in a little while, and then I can go ahead and post the MPEG-4 on YouTube. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and post them as a comment on my channel with this video. Thanks for watching.